I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to ask you if you're okay. My friends always feel the need to tell me things.
Oh my gosh, I like this. What do you guys think? You guys like this? Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. This is MaShelle Dean, and I bought this Outre 3C Whirly Half Wig months ago, wore it once, hated it, and put it back in the closet. But I decided to pull it out and see if I could volumize it and make it big and beautiful like the stock card, and now I'm totally feeling myself. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your units if they're not exactly how you want them to be. So don't go anywhere. Keep watching. So here's the unit here. This is the Outre 3C Whirly Half Wig, and this is in the color 1B Burgundy. Very pretty color. I bought this when I was going through my burgundy phase, and I was really disappointed when I got the wig because I expected it to look like it looked on the product card. And it said it was big, beautiful hair. And you see the picture right there. It's huge and so beautiful and gorgeous. And this is exactly the look I was going for. And so I got the wig and I put it on, and I was so disappointed. So this is what the hairline looks like. So this is not a lace frontal, it is a half wig. And it has a very thin hairline, and it's designed for you to blend hair in front of it. And it has an adjustable strap, and there's one comb in the back, and it's a pretty long comb, pretty decent size comb. And there is a larger comb in the front. What I do love about this unit is the large comb. Because I have the mohawk, I would need one big comb in the center to really secure the hair, and I have to have the adjustable strap in the back. So on that front, this unit is perfect because it has all the attachments and accoutrements that I need to wear this wig nice and securely. There is no parting space on this hair. There is no parts at all, which is fine because it's big, beautiful. So I'm just gonna put her on. I've never left any leave out before, but I'm gonna try it with the leave outs because it's a half wig, and we're just gonna see how it works. And so this is the unit here, and you see it's really flat, so it's not nearly as big as it is on the stock card, but that's okay because that's what we have brushes and combs for and picks. So we're gonna work through that. So this is what it looks like before we start fooling with it. So it does have layers, so it's a little bit shorter at the top and it's longer at the bottom. So here's your side view. So it's fairly long, and this is the rear view. So I'm gonna try to pick it out. I wanna add some volume because I want this to be big. I want it to look like the stock card.
Is when you turn your head to the side and look at me differently. Yeah. And last night, I think I lost my patience. Last night, I got high as the expectations. Last night, I came to a realization, and I hope you can take it. I hope you can take it. Oh, I'm too good to you.
Oh my gosh, I like this.
I'm too good to you.
What do you guys think? You guys like this? Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I brushed it out. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this today. My husband and I have a couple errands to run, and I can rock with this. Y'all, Outre has done it again. What I do love about the half wigs is that I can blend my natural hair in with it. And people don't know if this is a wig, they don't know if it's weave, they don't know if it's a crochet braid, so they don't know what this is. And so that is pretty darn awesome, and it looks so natural. Y'all know I love big hair, and this is just giving me all kinds of life right now. And I guess I should keep my hands out of it, but the hair is super soft, and after all of that manipulation and brushing and combing that I did, I have literally no shedding from this hair. This is a great unit. I'm really, really digging this. What do you guys think? Y'all like this one? Yeah, I think I can rock with this one. So let's see what this looks like in the back. It's really pretty. So guys, I bought this unit at my local beauty supply store, but you can see it's available on tons of retailers online. Emily Online has it, Sam's Beauty, Glamour Tress. Sam's Beauty is actually one of my go-to online beauty supply stores, as well as Elevate Styles. I don't know if Elevate Styles has it, but Sam's Beauty definitely does. So if you can't find it locally, you can definitely get this unit online. So crew, this is all I have on my review of the Outre 3C Whirly Half Wig. I hope you've seen from this video that if you ever buy a unit that you are not 100% satisfied with, you can manipulate it and make it your own. So you can rock it any way you want to. Thank you for joining me on this review. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel before you get out of here. Also, while you're here, you may as well check out one of my previous uploads, and also check out my playlist. I have my makeup tutorials, all of my hair reviews, and also my workout videos, so you can get fit and fabulous right along with the crew. All right, crew, stay beautiful, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
I want to say my intentions. I want to do the things that I mentioned. I want to benefit from the friendship. I want to get the late night message from you. I put my hands around you. Gotta get a handle on you. Gotta get a handle on the fact that I'm too good to you.